My topic is content marketing in detail explained, and let's go to the topic and let's go to the start. Content marketing is a strategic marketing approach focused on creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and engage a target audience. The primary goal of content marketing is to build trust, establish authority, and ultimately drive profitable customer actions, such as making a purchase or subscribing to a service. Key aspects of content marketing include content creation, developing high-quality and informative content that resonates with the target audience. This content can take various forms, such as blog posts, articles, videos, infographics, podcasts, ebooks, white papers, and more. Target audience. Understanding the needs, preferences, and pain points of the target audience is essential. Tailoring the content to address these aspects helps ensure its relevance and effectiveness. Distribution. Once the content is created, it needs to be distributed across appropriate channels to reach the intended audience. These channels may include the company website, social media platforms, email newsletters, guest posts on other websites, and more. Search engine optimization, SEO, incorporating relevant keywords and optimizing content for search engines helps improve its visibility and discoverability in search results. Engagement and interaction. Encouraging interaction with the content, such as likes, shares, comments, and subscriptions, helps create a sense of community and fosters a deeper connection with the audience. Brand awareness and authority. Content marketing helps position a brand or organization as an authority in its industry by consistently delivering valuable information and insights. Lead generation and conversion. Well-executed content marketing can attract potential customers, nurture them through the buying journey, and convert them into paying customers or clients. Analytics and measurement. Monitoring and analyzing the performance of content marketing efforts is crucial to understanding what works and what doesn't. Key performance indicators, KPIs, like website traffic, conversion rates, engagement metrics, and lead generation can help gauge the success of content marketing campaigns. Content marketing is particularly effective in the digital age, where consumers are increasingly wary of traditional advertising and seek valuable information to make informed decisions. By providing valuable content, businesses can build a loyal audience, improve brand perception, and ultimately drive business growth. Content marketing is a strategic marketing approach that focuses on creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a specific target audience. The goal of content marketing is to engage and educate potential customers, build brand awareness, establish thought leadership, and ultimately drive profitable customer action. The content in content marketing can take various forms, such as blog posts, articles, videos, podcasts, social media posts, infographics, ebooks, case studies, white papers, and more. It should provide value to the audience by addressing their needs, interests, and pain points. Here are some key elements and strategies involved in content marketing. Target audience. Clearly identify your target audience or buyer persona. Understand their demographics, interests, challenges, and preferences to create content that resonates with them. Content creation. Develop high-quality and valuable content that aligns with your audience's needs and interests. It should be informative, engaging, and well-written or produced. Use storytelling techniques to make your content more compelling. Content distribution. Decide on the channels and platforms where you'll publish and promote your content. This may include your website or blog, social media platforms, email newsletters, guest blogging, industry publications, and more. Search engine optimization, SEO. Optimize your content for search engines to improve its visibility and reach. Use relevant keywords, meta tags, and descriptive titles to help search engines understand and rank your content. Social media marketing. Leverage social media platforms to distribute and amplify your content. Engage with your audience, build a community, and encourage sharing and discussion around your content. Email marketing. Use email newsletters to deliver your content directly to your audience's inbox. Build an email list and segment it based on user preferences to send targeted and personalized content. Analytics and measurement. Track and analyze the performance of your content marketing efforts. Monitor metrics such as website traffic, engagement, social media shares, conversions, and customer feedback to understand what works and refine your strategies. Content repurposing: extend the lifespan and reach of your content by repurposing it into different formats. For example, you can turn a blog post into a video, create an infographic summarizing an article, or compile a series of blog posts into an ebook. Influencer marketing: collaborate with influencers or industry experts to amplify your content and reach a wider audience. Their endorsement and promotion can increase your credibility and exposure. Continuous improvement: content marketing requires ongoing refinement and optimization. Monitor the latest industry trends, listen to feedback from your audience, and adapt your content strategy accordingly. Content marketing is a strategic marketing approach focused on creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and engage a target audience. The primary goal of content marketing is to build a strong relationship with potential customers by providing them with helpful and informative content that addresses their needs, challenges, and interests. Unlike traditional advertising that directly promotes products or services, content marketing aims to establish the brand as an authority in its industry and foster trust with the audience. By delivering valuable content, businesses can position themselves as experts and create a positive impression, leading potential customers to choose their products or services when the time is right. Quality content creation: the cornerstone of content marketing is creating high-quality, informative, and relevant content. This content can take various forms, such as blog posts, articles, videos, infographics, podcasts, ebooks, white papers, and more. Understanding the target audience: effective content marketing requires a deep understanding of the target audience's preferences, needs, pain points, and interests. Tailoring the content to meet their specific requirements is vital for engaging the audience. Consistency: content marketing is an ongoing process. Consistently publishing fresh and valuable content helps maintain audience interest and loyalty. Distribution and promotion: creating great content is not enough. It also needs to be effectively distributed and promoted. Social media, email marketing, SEO, and other distribution channels play a crucial role in getting the content in front of the right audience. Measure and analyze results: to understand the effectiveness of content marketing efforts, it's essential to track key performance metrics such as website traffic, engagement rates, conversion rates, and lead generation. This analysis helps refine the content strategy and optimize future campaigns. Content marketing is not a quick-fix strategy, but rather a long-term approach that builds brand awareness, authority, and trust. By consistently providing value to the audience, businesses can position themselves for success in the competitive market. Content marketing is a digital marketing strategy that involves creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and engage a target audience. Unlike traditional advertising which focuses on promoting products or services directly, content marketing aims to provide information, educate, and entertain consumers in order to build trust and establish credibility. The goals of content marketing include increasing brand awareness, driving traffic to a website or social media pages, generating leads, and ultimately converting them into customers. It involves various forms of content such as blog posts, articles, videos, podcasts, infographics, ebooks, and social media posts. Key principles of successful content marketing include understanding the target audience and their needs, creating high-quality and valuable content, optimizing content for search engines to improve visibility and reach, promoting content through various channels, and analyzing data to measure the effectiveness of the strategy. Overall, content marketing is a powerful tool for businesses to establish themselves as thought leaders in their industry, build customer relationships. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe the channel.